Hey, I am back today with another brand new video going over some YouTube strategies, niches, and some good topics to get into.
Wow!
If you are starting YouTube in 2021, looking to get into a cash cow type of channel potentially, where you're not really showing your face, but you're putting out that type of content that's going to get clicks and have a high CPM for you to be able to cash in on and make a business out of YouTube in 2021. If you get value out of the videos, drop down and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button down below so you can help people get in front of the videos just like yourself, looking for the similar content and strategies to help grow your YouTube channel. And today we're going to be looking at a niche that to me is one of the most up and coming niches out there due to the social media era. And I think that this is an underutilized niche I really do. If you can get into this niche with a very clean aesthetic, I think your CPM is going to be very good. And it is a very high CPM. And we're talking about like the luxury and the lifestyle nature. And as you can see here, we're going to go through 3 channels that I have pulled up their YouTube and their social blades, as we usually do on the channel. We're going to go over 3 examples, large, medium and small. It's all scalable, and they're all making money. So let's go ahead and start with this first page. Okay, so visualize yourself beyond ordinary. Alright. Look at these videos. You become what you think. How to think and attract wealth must watch. Visualize your dreams into reality. Dream big, the millionaire mints it. So what do? Good, right, they're selling you something. Right. The art of getting money. The art of money getting right. Achieve how to get anything you want in life. Their titles are super simple, but you can tell that they're going to be motivational videos and they're going to be something to do with luxury lifestyle. How rich people think like these videos are very good. They use stock footage. It's a lot of quick clips, very quick clips. And these are really good videos and they keep the people engaged and they are not getting crazy views. 16, 22, 33, 47, okay, so these are getting awesome views. 147k, so like they do get very good views. But the thing about this is a high CPM, so they're only getting these amount of views and they're only posting, let's see, about 5-6 videos a month. Alright. Let's go take a look at their social blade. They only have 57 uploads. They created this channel almost 12 years back. Out of those 57 uploads, they're taking 19 million video views. This is huge. I mean, that is a big deal. So estimated monthly earnings are earning up to $5,000 on this channel, up to about $64,000 per year. And this is all estimated. Most of these are being sold short. I would have to think that this channel is making more than that, considering its sub account and its amount of use that it is getting this channel right here. I mean, you see the estimated earnings per day like 146. 147, it's making hundreds and hundreds of dollars per day in this niche. And, they're getting 30,000 views. They know this is a niche, that they've gotten 7,000 subs in the 30 days. Like this niche is really, successful. And people seek this type of content out, guys. So remember that, think about what people are looking for, right? Like it's not too complicated to put these type of videos together. And if you want, you can go check out these channels and see the type of videos that I'm referring to. Let's go ahead and move on to the next channel here. 9-Figure Life. This channel is a very modest sized channel. 41,000 subscribers. Their videos are cut to the point, how Jeff Bezos lifestyle, Mark Zuckerberg lifestyle, Elon Musk lifestyle of billionaire, alright. So, these are just storyline videos. But these videos are in demand. So 900,000 views, 400,000 views, 400,000 views, 400,000 views, and these are simple videos, guys. A lot of these are just clips, life of billionaire lifestyle, motivation and visualization. What does that look like? That's like that's an Instagram story, like that little flash right there is an Instagram story that someone just put into a video. Right. These are probably just interviews pieced together. This is probably Instagram stories pieced together. So this type of channel gets crazy views. There are 5 million total views on this channel. And I mean, on the low scale, they're making $1,000 on this channel, they're making $60, $50, $90, $80, $100 a day on this channel. 41,000 subscribers. This is on a smaller scale. So like this channel, this is way off, has to be way off. They're making more than that, so this channel is making a great amount off of this niche, and they are getting solid views. And you can see why these videos are very clicky. They want people click on these. And, as simple as they probably are put together, this is something you can take advantage of on your channel. And let's get into the last one is a medium-sized example. Build empire. These are mainly motivational videos, billionaire luxury lifestyle, billionaire luxury. They're all the same. They're just different episodes. Guys, every one of these videos is the same exact title, almost the same exact thumbnail. What do they do? Well, it's consistent. I would guarantee you all these are the exact same, right? All these videos are going to be exact same for the most part. You can see they were trying some stuff out here. They start this luxury lifestyle series. This is the 4th episode, 3rd episode, 2nd episode, 1st episode. So, this channel right here does a great episode of. Yeah, they do a great job of the recurring getting you back. Right? You come and you watch episode 28, you're coming back for 29. You're subbing and you're coming back for 30, right? That's their strategy. And this channel is making up to $33,000 a year on Build Empire, only a 70,000 subscriber channel with 69 million views in total. They are coming out with 3 to 5 videos a month. They get 700,000 plus views every month in a high CPM niche. This channel right here is cashing in, and these are perfect. 3 examples of cash cow channels that you yourself can piece together. Start getting videos underway all for free before you ever have to outsource that thingy, promise. It is so easy to make these videos. If you need help on finding footage, audio clips, voiceovers, anything like that, feel free to leave comments down below. I can try to connect you my best with all the people that I know involved with cash cow channels and the outsourcing that they can provide. But I would really suggest this is a niche that is so easy to get into. Guys, look at this stock footage that they're using, super stock pools, just luxury life, that is very easy to find, and you will be able to replicate this on your own channel very easily. I appreciate your checking out the video today on the luxury and lifestyle niche. I'll be back next week with some more YouTube niches, secrets and growth strategies to help you build your cash cow channel.